Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can log in into your ChatGPT account. It's actually easy to sign into your ChatGPT account. So guys, want to know how to do it? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you need to take now is to open your browser, be it Chrome, Opera Mini, Bing, Phoenix. Just tap on it to open it. So let me tap on my Chrome browser. I'm going to be using Chrome in this tutorial today. So let me tap on Chrome. So guys, once your Google Chrome browser opens up, what you have to do now is to search for chat.openai.com. So guys, for you to do that, you have to type it in. So let me type it in. Let me tap on the search bar. Then let me type it in, chat.openai.com. So guys can see it there. So let me tap on enter. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written login. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to input the email address that you use in creating your ChatGPT account. But in case you used your Google account, you can see down there you can actually continue with your Google account. You can log in or sign into your ChatGPT account by tapping on continue with Google. You can continue with your Google account, or you can continue with your Microsoft account, or you can continue with your Apple account. So guys, now let me use my email address since I created my ChatGPT account using my email address. So let me type it in. Let me tap on where it is written email address. So let me input my email address right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my email address. The next step you need to take now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. So guys, now what you have to do now is to input your ChatGPT password. So let me input it right away. Let me tap on where it is written password, and let me input the number. Let me type it in. So guys, now you can see I'm done typing my password. So let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see I've logged into my ChatGPT account. So guys, now this is how you can log into your ChatGPT account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.